Okay, are you ready for the next way you can get paid? Well, the next way, number 2, is the generation bonus. This is also a way that you can get paid on a weekly basis, whereas you get to earn up to an additional $50 in bonuses for the enrollment packs. Let me show you how this works. So as you can see, this is our generation bonus, and you have the ability to earn between $30 and $50. The way it works is like this. For a weekender pack, let's say, for example, you are at the rank of Emerald. At Emerald, you can see, in addition to the $50 that you would earn from that enrollment pack being sold, you would get an additional $5, $5, and $5 for a total of an additional $15 for that particular pack. Here's another example. Let's say you are at the level of Diamond and you sold an Explorer pack. Well, here you get an additional $5, $6, $6, and $6. So again, you see the opportunity to earn $40, an additional $40 on that Explorer pack. So this is our second stream of income, our generation bonus.